copper, you gotta clean it. You gotta make sure that the ends are clean.
Why?
Otherwise, when you solder with the torch, the solder won't stick. Then you get leaks all over the place.
Really? So you have to actually solder it together?
Yeah. That's with the torch.
This right here. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a really small one.
Yeah. This one here.
And how hot does the torch go?
Well, that one there, that's probably like maybe 1,200 degrees.
1,200 degrees?
Yeah. Well, no, I'm sorry. That's a turbo torch. That one's just a regular tip. Probably like 800 degrees.
Wow.
Yeah. Maybe. You got to be clean. Flux. This is it helps clean. After you clean the pipe, put flux on the pipe, and as you heat it up, the torch helps clean the pipe.
Okay.
So when you put the solder sticks better. Okay. Real tough. Proto, actually. This is just the compounds, you know, for threaded things. That's ready. The old pipe, that makes the water here. That's no good. Just like, see that water coming out?
Yeah.
That'll stop when I start heating it up. It won't make the fitting get hot, and it won't make this solder melt. So I gotta drain that. You always get all the water out as much as you can. Give me that coffee cup if you don't want. Right
sure.
There. Dump this. Damn. Always, you know, it's always best to get the water out.
Well, that's a lot of water.
Yeah.
Where'd that water come from?
Plus the water was in the line. You know, right now the water's off. And once you put the water back on, the water will be back into the pipe. But right now, I got the water off. I'm trying to, you know, get the shower body, so I don't want water in the pipe. It makes it difficult to solder.
Okay.
There are tricks to it, but I'm not going to tell my tricks.
Really?
Yeah, just why you go hire me to do the work. If I tell you my tricks, you'll do it yourself. You gotta hire me. There's a couple little tricks here. Especially the old pipe's gotta be really, really clean, because to see this what happened here, the green, that's called oxidation.
Okay.
And that's you gotta make sure that it's really, really clean like this. See the difference?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Because if it ain't clean, especially on the old pipe, the new pipe, you gotta clean it. Especially the old pipe, you gotta make sure it's